hacks. Yes, the new Gen 4, it's already available for the hack. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube is the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got the M18 fuel, and I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. M18 fuel, 18 bolts, brushless, cordless hammer drill, and impact driver, tool combo kit with 2 batteries, $3.99, and it is eligible for a free tool or free battery. Alright, so this is the hammer drill. This is the Gen 4 impact driver, 2 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case. So if you guys haven't checked out our videos, we do have videos on both of these, multiple videos versus videos with other tools, other brands, other manufacturers. Alright, so we got free gift with purchase. You go up here, you're gonna select your battery for $149. You're gonna add both to the cart, and it's gonna drop down to $290.51. That is a killer deal, guys. This is less than 150 bucks a piece. That's really good. That's really good on brand new tools. The batteries is gonna be 109, 108. It's obviously, this battery is not the best deal, so I wouldn't keep this battery. So yes, guys, it's available now. I'll leave you guys a link down below on the description section of this video. And also let me know if you have the Gen 3, would you move on to the Gen 4 even with these new hacks? Let me know on the comment section. Alright, so don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.